I'm Indu MN, doing my fellowship in pediatric optometry under Indian Academy of Optometry. Today I'm here to discuss about the vision therapy. What is vision therapy? Vision therapy is an individualized, supervised treatment program to correct visual motor deficiencies. Here we are going to discuss about 5 main types of vision therapy. Vision therapy is used in the treatment of convergence insufficiency, strabismus, amblyopia, etc. First, we will go through the first main important type of vision therapy, that is pencil push-up therapy, also known as convergence insufficiency therapy.
Pencils can have alphabet or other characters on it to stimulate the accommodative system.
The pencil usually has alphabets or letters to allow the patient to focus the accommodative system on it. The main aim of the test is to keep the pencil or alphabet clear and single as long as possible when the pencil is moved away and towards the nose. Under this test, the patient is instructed to keep the pencil at 1 arm's length and instructed to bring the pencil towards the nose. They have to keep the letters or pencil as clear as much as possible. If they observe it as a double image, we have to instruct the patient to move the pencil away from the nose and repeat the test when they are able to see the letters single and clear. Here we are going to demonstrate the pencil push-up test. This pencil is 1 length nose in clear or double arm. Okay, 1 length distance. Pen light alphabet observe. Next type of vision therapy is patching or occlusion therapy. Occlusion therapy, it is more effective in children below 9 years of age and used in the treatment of amblyopia or lazy eye. Under occlusion therapy, eye patching is done, and there are different types of occlusion therapy such as conventional or inverse, part-time or full-time, total or partial. Under conventional occlusion therapy, the normal eye is occluded and the patient is asked to see through the amblyopic eye. In case of children, we have to encourage them to use their amblyopic eye, like giving them exercises like drawing, joining the dots, etc. Under inverse type of occlusion therapy, the amblyopic eye is occluded and the patient is asked to fixate through the normal eye to fixate the eccentric fixation. Full-time or part-time. Full-time is the most important type of occlusion therapy and is used in the cases of constant strabismic amblyopes, and part-time is used in the cases of non-strabismic amblyopes. The next type is total or partial type of occlusion therapy. Under total type, all the light is prevented from entering the eye. It is not used in the cases of nystagmus patient as it will increase the intensity of nystagmus. For nystagmus patient, partial type of occlusion therapy is preferred. Here we are going to demonstrate the eye patching. Now I have occluded the patient's normal eye and the patient will be reading through their amblyopic eye.
The parliament, which is a session, begin with a question hour. The questions hour is an important mechanism through which MPs can circulate information.
There are different types of occluders available for eye patching, like patching on spectacles or from contact lenses. The parents has a key role in patching as they have to encourage their children to patch on the spectacles or from contact lenses, as children may be hesitate to wear the patch. Next type of vision therapy is prism or lens fixation. Prisms are indicated in patients with asthenopia and diplopia. Vertical prisms are prescribed in contact lenses and others in spectacles. Prisms can be used in cases such as divergence insufficiency, basic exotropia, and vertical heterophoria. Vision therapy can be used in cases such as divergence excess, convergence excess, convergence insufficiency, etc. Next type of vision therapy is synaptophore. Synaptophore is also known as amblyoscope and is based on haploscopic principle. It is used in cases of suppression, amblyopia, abnormal retinal correspondence, etc. There are 2 uses of this instrument, such as diagnostic and therapeutic uses. It also helps in the estimation of grades of BSV, such as simultaneous perception, fusion and stereopsis using different slides. There are 2 tubes for this instrument to view the picture. and lens in its eyepiece of plus 6.5 diopter sphere. Slides are placed in the slide carrier. Patient has to view through the eyepiece. There are two tubes in this instrument to see the image. A mirror is placed in the bend of each tube, which help to reflect the picture of the slide, and patient has to see that image through the eyepiece. It is not only helpful in the cases of grades of BSV, but also helps in the exercise for convergence and divergence also. The next vision therapy that we are going to see is computer vision therapy software or computer software vision therapy. The most advanced vision therapy nowadays is computer vision therapy software. It helps in the problem of saccadic and pursuit movement of the patient. Home vision therapy that is available nowadays is perceptual visual tracking program, that is PVT. It helps to correct the saccadic problem of the patient. There are 5 procedures under this, that is matching targets, moving box, moving line, fixation target and saccadic tracking. The other software programs that are available are Vein Engineering, Read and Track, Neuro Vision Rehabilitator, etc. Nowadays, the software program are also available in font types and we can directly download that in our mobile. We can practice the saccadic pursuit movements or we can practice the exercises for saccadic pursuit movements for our eye directly in our home also.